Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn on how to make a Roblox t-shirt. If you like my outfit, like, share and subscribe. Now we are going to type in something. And please do not click off the video yet as it may disappoint us. We are going to type Roblox t-shirt. If you are a girl, you should type a girl. And if you are a boy, write in a boy. I am a girl. And I am going to write a girl. My favorite color is purple. You can write your favorite color. Now, after typing all of those, click images. You might find a lot of options here. I found my favorite t-shirt, so that's why I clicked on it. Now take a screenshot. After taking a screenshot, click on that and crop it. It might take a while for us to crop. After cropping, just take a back and come in Roblox. There is one option, more. Click on that option and there is one more option, create. Click on that. And after that, click on home. There are some three lines. Click on that and there will be apply something. You shall click on creations. And after clicking on creation, click on editor icon. Scroll down a little bit, click on classic and touch on upload asset. After clicking on upload asset, click on an option called upload. After that, you might find your t-shirt. We put on any letters because we want it to be quick. But put on your own choice of name. You can put your choice name. Like my t-shirt color is purple, so you can put your name purple. Now put on description name as well, because if you don't put the description name, it will not come. After that, click on upload. See that it is processing nicely. And ours didn't work, so I am sorry about that. But we can create more of those. Click on again upload and put on the anything name. Sorry for waiting. We will just upload again. I think it will process now. Yes, it processed. Now let's come back. Go back to your Roblox account. It might take a while for us. Yeah. Now, after clicking on your Roblox account and see my outfit. I like my outfit so much. Now, after that, click on clothing. Go on customize and click there. Now we have get our t-shirt. But before that, you should always click on clothing. Then click on classic t-shirts. Now classic shirts, we can take any color. But we should find always one matching. We found a one shirt matching. Doesn't it look nice? If it is looking nice, just like, share and subscribe again to this channel. We are not getting a growth to this channel. And we are very new to this channel. So that's why we want everyone to be happy. And we make everyone happy by posting videos. Now moving on to the video. You can just comment that which kind of challenges we should do. And this is my final outfit. I like my outfit so much. And we have many more shirts like this one here. But is not suiting. That grey t-shirt is not suiting. So we can just go there and click black. This is just matching to this t-shirt. We have